Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Ali Raza. Let me go ahead to describe all three different states of data with their differences and examples. So the data states are data at rest, data in use, and data in transition. Data at rest is basically a data or information that is not actively moving from one device to another device or from one network to another network. For example, data stored on a hard drive of laptop or desktop, any server machine, flash drive, over SAN storage, over cloud storage in the form of archive or in any form. Data at transit, basically while sharing an information over the network, either it's going to be a trusted network or untrusted network like internet. So data in transit, definitely we need to consider the security. So this is the most vulnerable part where the data is gonna be in a risk. So that's all about the data in transit, and we're gonna see the differences little bit later. Data in use when it's being accessed by a person or program. For companies, data is mostly likely to be in active state when it's being reviewed or modified by an employee or being processed by automated or manual means. So the differences among all of the three states and their security strategies are definitely different. While data is at rest, since it's not moving from one location to another location, so mostly we need to consider an encryption. We need to encrypt the file or need to encrypt the entire storage device, right? And we should be having a proper backup mechanism in place, right? So that's how data address need to be secure. However, data in transit that also needs some kind of encryption while transmitting a data over the secure or unsecured network. So mostly for web-based application, we usually use SSL, and for another application like or any kind of application that's being used by remote access VPN, whenever you are using your uh, uh, application services remotely from anywhere in the world, and all of your corporate application resides over the server farm. So you usually use remote access VPN. That is one of the example. And for data in use, so I can give an example like working on Microsoft Office, Word, Excel documents, PDF files, PowerPoint files, any another database application, which should be only accessible and authorized by particular user, should have proper permission in place. And some of the database application especially need to be only accessed by particular authorized programs or systems, which need to be accessed only via authorized APIs to pull the data. So that's how like the data in use need to be secured. So all of the three different states have their own security mechanism and have their own security best practices guideline and examples which we definitely need to follow. That's how like understanding the characteristics and the differences between the data states can help any company to handle sensitive information more securely by following the best security guideline. Hopefully, that would be uh, an helpful information. Thank you.